Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to use Microsoft PowerPoint on a Mac computer. Tutorial 12, inserting a bar chart. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft PowerPoint. So we can now start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, go to OneDrive where the PowerPoint presentation is saved in. Let's just double click on work.pptx. Let's wait for that to load. In the meantime, let's minimize Finder for the moment, increase the size of PowerPoint. Now what we're going to do is insert a new slide, which we can do within the home section. So drag that to slide number 4 and then click to add text. Where we see table, let's just click on this, insert chart, column, 2D, let's click on this, and this will redirect us to Microsoft Excel. So if we go back to a PowerPoint presentation and minimize this for the moment, and simultaneously work on Excel, and now we can see what's happening on both applications at the same time. If we just increase the size of the cells in Excel, let's go to category 1, series 1, let's just change this to number 7. Command S to save. Let's now go back to the PowerPoint presentation, and there you see the changes have been made. Series 1, category 2, let's change this to number 7. And there you go, the changes are made in real time. So we can now Command S to save the Excel file, quit Excel. Let's go back to the PowerPoint presentation. Let's just give the chart a title. A new chart, let's give the main chart or the main presentation slide a title. Centralize this. There's more to centralization in the near future. So that itself has now been saved, so we can now quit PowerPoint. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.